Hello, this is Lorena, and I'm back with another Duel Links video. I bet that the karma is going to hit me in the face and I'll lose the next duel, but I hope that doesn't actually happen. I hope it doesn't actually happen. I am still building the affection meter, though I have no idea how I'm even doing that. It's just a programmed thing, I guess. I don't really express affection much, just saying. My idea of affection is I'll get pissed off if someone insults you. That's what I've got, pretty much. I do not approve of this. Alright, well, I'm going to destroy that card because I can. It's a continuous trap, so it's dead. The spell is dead. You will not see it ever again. I activate it. Yes. Activation. Alright, from my deck to my hand. And, by the way, I'm going to activate a card. You will definitely fall by my hand. You're just going to fail, okay? That's what's going to happen. You're going to fail. You may think you'll win, but you cannot win ever. That is never allowed. Only I win. This is my turf and my territory. You will never win against me. Okay, I add another one to my hand. And now I attack. Attack. Okay, I won again. Yes, this is the power of the Supreme King. Fear his power. I'm going to be completely honest. Dude, I think I've got something. I've got a ticket and I haven't used it. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, I have had enough. For now, that is. I will be back. Okay, well, I'm going to pick Tori as my tag partner now. Unfortunately, I do not want to do this, but I must. Anna's lines are awesome. Okay. Dear Lord, do I really care? Well, I care enough, I guess. Just sit back and relax and stay out of my way. How did I get involved in this mess? You got involved because you must said so, apparently. Apparently he also said so with Shark and Kite. I question your logic, Yuma. Why did you get them involved? Okay. Well, I hope I don't lose this. I don't trust Tori. And now I trust her outside of dueling, but I don't trust her otherwise. Okay. I end my turn. So, anyone here wants to see how Quattro treats his fans? Because he's so obsessed with talking about it. He talks about it all the time. How he treats his fans. It's ridiculous. We don't need to hear for the 1 millionth time how you treat your fans, Quattro. Okay, sure. I feel like defeat is inevitable at this point. Seriously? Okay. Activate a counter trap. Wow. Not too bad. Although, admittedly, they'd have to do something with Tori's deck to make her playable. I mean, you don't want to pick a bad Duelist as your attack partner. Although I still prefer Anna. I still prefer Anna. Okay. It is my turn. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this. Great. I could... No, I can't. I don't feel like it's a good idea. Okay. I can't Xyz summon because I feel like it's better for my field to stay like this. And I was indeed right. I just won. Oh, that was great. That was amazing. Okay. Now, it is time. It is time to see the dialogue here. Because I don't think I covered this. I lost. How could I lose? If it's cool with you, I'm leaving. Yeah. I hope it's cool with her. Alright, I have won 10 duels. Already? Wow, that's a lot of wins. Okay, it's time for me to duel Anna some more. I've still got too much currency. I'm going to need to fill up the affection meter 2 more times. Okay, but I'm going to destroy you. I accept your acceptance, or whatever. That makes no sense. Made no sense at all. But I will win. I will win and you will lose. That is the law. Well, the Supreme King says that's the law. And that doesn't mean he's right. I draw. Okay. You're getting your ass kicked. I will show you. I will show you the power that I wield. And you'll come to understand your true weakness. You'll understand just how weak your deck truly is. And you, in comparison, you think you've got power. I will show you that you don't. You've got no power when you're dueling against me. My turn. Prepare yourself for defeat. That's right, prepare yourself. You have lost again. I'm going to duel her again, you know, to build the affection meter. I should have enough event currency for that. Alright. Yes! Again! It's built up again! Now after this, I just had to build it back up a second time. I mean a third time. Alright, I should be able to, I should be okay if I just throw her again, you know. I can use Quattro here, but against Kite, I'm going to pick, I'm going to play as Anna. Okay, I pick Tori. Just sit back and relax and stay out of my way. Why do I have to deal with your problems? I have the same question. Why? I do not have an answer. Though the answer officially is Konami decided this. That's the boring answer. I prefer to use my imagination to come up with better answers. To be honest, this hand really isn't that great. Okay, I'm gonna put this card in the graveyard. And end my turn. I do not expect much will come. I expect that this card will be, well, okay. Yeah, the graveyard. It's now in the graveyard as I expected. I will put this on the field. Alright, it is now my partner's turn. Uh-huh. Now, I think Anna and I have better chemistry. I have no idea what that means. This is a nice opportunity. A very nice opportunity. I will summon. Okay, never mind. I guess I can't summon. I can't summon the card I wanted to summon. Alright, well, I guess that means I can't summon it without a third Give It Puppet. Alright, well, that's fair. Let me just double check to make sure. Oh. Actually, no, the answer is I just can't because I can only make Give It Puppets level 8. Of course I can. Of course that's the restriction. Why would I expect otherwise? What kind of Give It Puppets player am I? Not even realizing how skills work. Alright, it's my partner's turn again. Well, that wasn't as bad as it could have been. I should probably learn how to understand skills. Apparently, I just don't read. Though, this is apparently the standard for Yu-Gi-Oh! Players. I'm not sure why, but okay, sure. I lost? How could that happen? It's bad enough you dragged me into this nonsense. Losing the duel makes it worse. Yeah, I bet it does. I bet it does. Oh my god. Yeah, I bet losing that duel really sucked. But you know what? You're going to lose the next one too. I'm talking to Anna. Anna's going to lose the next duel. She is not allowed to defeat me. I am the Supreme King. She should kneel before me and my power. Okay, what kind of opening hand is this? This is not much of a hand, honestly. I end my turn. She will witness my true power. Hold on a second. Apparently I'm too loud. My bad. I will have to be a bit quieter. Well, I'm just. Do you guys really think I want to? Do you guys really think I want to be quiet? This is my. Well, I am not that loud. Though I do think that I can tone things down a bit, considering it may be difficult to listen to me, you know, in the recording. Maybe it's too loud for the video. Maybe I should check. I'm just so mad at the moment. The anger and the darkness is just there now. It's more pronounced. I'm just pissed. No one tells me what to do. No one. I do whatever the hell I want. This is my video. This is my channel. This is my... I am a full-grown adult. No one tells me what to do. I am tired of dancing around, trying to be what everyone wants me to be. I have the power. I am so sick of this. I understand it can be a bit frustrating, but still. Just told it to quiet down. Just let me do whatever the hell I want. I am the Supreme King. I do not listen to anyone. I don't. I never listen to anyone. It is not my province to listen to other people. I only listen if you're nice to me. If you're going to be a brat, I won't listen to you. I am just sick. I am sick of having to hold back everything inside of me. I cannot handle this. Well, apparently I lost. And now I wouldn't have lost if a certain... Oh, it's my turn. I get to play. Okay, well apparently I haven't lost just yet. So there's a chance for victory on my end. Unfortunately, I doubt that's going to happen. But we're going to see if I get lucky. We are going to see. The darkness within is... It's just there. It's present. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of having to just respect the peace. Do you really think I should respect the peace? Though, then when I think about it, if I'm too loud for someone not in my room, how does this sound on video? Is this too loud for a standard YouTube video? That's honestly making me... I'm interested in whether or not I was too loud for the video. The only reason I'm even considering listening to that is because I don't want to be too loud for the video itself. Like, I don't want to kill anyone's ears or anything like that. But I still have... it's within my control to be whatever I want to be. If I want to be like this, I can. If I want to talk about how I'm the Supreme King, and I want this and that, whatever, I can be. But I'm sick of having to walk on eggshells or landmines. Now, obviously, I do want to listen to this again, just to make sure I'm not too loud for the average viewer. But, I mean, still, I'm too loud? Is that actually true? Or is that just what I'm being led to believe? And now, I know that it may not be pleasant when I express myself in such a way as I did earlier in this video, but I need an outlet, and this is the outlet. Let me duel however I want. I will duel however I want. I will play the part if I want to play the part, okay? Don't get in my way. I'm sick of this. I have tried not to speak up just to maintain peace. I don't want to destroy the peace. I want to maintain the peace. But at the same time, I am just sick of hiding everything. I will not give in. I will not give in. I can't believe it. Do you realize how it feels to be told to be quiet when you're streaming? Now, I can understand if it's like, you know, in the middle of the night, but this isn't the middle of the night. It's only 3 p.m. I shouldn't have to be quiet during the day. That's bullshit. I get to be as dramatic as I want, as long as I'm not screaming and hurting someone's ears. Maybe I was hurting someone's ears in this particular instance. If so, maybe I should be apologizing, but I feel like someone's just being bad. That's my opinion. My opinion is often the right one, if you ask me. I said that I'm feeling dark, and that darkness will be felt immediately. Okay, not immediately, but whatever. I do whatever I please. I am an adult. I don't have to take orders or requests from a toxic minor. But that's just how I feel. And if someone's offended by that, that's not my problem. Seriously, it's not. It's not my problem if you don't like how I talk, or my behavior, or the fact that I exist at all. This darkness inside of me will not be contained. It will not be contained. I simply do not take orders from people that are just complete brats. Honestly, real talk, I probably should tone it down a bit. I don't think I had to be like that, exactly, but part of me just wants to be like that again, out of spite. Out of spite. Not the best idea, but sure, whatever. And that's going to wrap things up for this video, guys. I will come back in the next one and finish off the couple duels and all that, and then just spend the rest of my currency. So I'll see you guys in my next video, where hopefully I will be speaking in appropriate. Hopefully my tone will be more appropriate in the next video. I do not think I was inappropriate, but whatever. I do not give two shits.